Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Hope you're doing great, and hope last week was good for you as well. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for USD30 or US30 rather, and as usual, I'll be starting off with the weekly time frame, and then work our way down to the 4-hour time frame where I normally take my entry. Um, so for the weekly time frame, we can see what's happening here, especially with the formation of this candlestick here on the weekly time frame. There was this massive rejection of this support level here, which has been tested several once in the past, and also around this round figure of 32,000, and then quickly rejected up to around 34,000. So that was a massive jump. Um, and the formation of this candidate with this massive rejection is for me an indication of a buy move, which may happen this coming week. If we go to the daily time frame, we can see what has happened here. Market formed this bullish pin bar, which also showed this massive rejection here, and followed by this massive bullish candle. Remember, I said this pin bar is this bullish pin bar here is a indication of a bullish market. Now, combining these three candlestick patterns, 1, 2, and 3, this is what we call a morning star, which is also a bullish reversal pattern, which also indicates that price most likely would continue to the upside. Now, with the formation of this candle, and like I'm saying, from the weekly time frame and from the daily time frame, what we can see is that price will most likely move to the upside. So the question now is, how do we capitalize on this up move? How do we take our entries on US30? And there are two ways you can do it. One is to, and usually I do it on the 4-hour time frame. One is to identify key areas where you're expecting price to either reverse and give us good opportunities to buy, or price to break that level and retest it and give us opportunities to buy as well. I'll just point out some of those key levels that I can identify, and hopefully in the coming week we can look out for those levels. And also, because of this massive bullish move, there's a possibility that price could retrace at least up to 50% of this candle, which I always say with a massive candle like that, normally price may end up retracing about 50% of it. And if you look at the 50% level of this candle, or even if price moves up a little bit, that will be somewhere, sorry, that will be somewhere around this area here. Yeah, so that will be where this support level is currently. So we can expect price to more or less retrace to that area. But like I said, this formation of these three candles here is a morning star, and it's an indication of a bullish move. When we get to the 4-hour time frame where I normally take my entry, now I'm going to identify the key areas that we will be looking out for. Firstly, here we can just identify like the areas where price has been tested several times. Then we can also draw our trend line as well, because once we draw the trend line, we'll see that price has broken that trend line. So this is what we'll do. We get our trend line here first of all, down there, and we can see that we've gotten the trend line break, and price closed above the trend line and starting to move to the upside. So that's also another good indication of a buy trade. Next is to identify these key areas that I mentioned, and I'll be representing them with this red line over here. So this is one of the key areas here. That's one identified. The next area here will be this key area here as well, which was tested here, and then this area here as well, and this one tested here, here, and here as well. So these are areas that we'll be looking out for in the coming week. And so what I'm expecting is either price to get up to this level here, probably bounce from it back down to this area here, retesting this trend line as well as this support level. Then it bounced to the upside. Okay, possibly breaking this as well, continuing to the upside, and all the way to this level over here. Okay, so this is where I'll be expecting to take my profits in the future. But to capitalize on this up move, then I'll be waiting for a retest down here. Now, if by chance the retest doesn't happen and price continues to go to the upside, then I'll wait for a break above this red line here that I've identified. And depending on how price breaks, I can enter that trade immediately, or I can wait for some sort of retest before looking for my buy opportunities to take the trade to the upside to this next level here. And if this level breaks again, then I'll take more buy opportunities to take profit here. And so this is what I'll be looking out for generally. Even if price retraces all the way down to this level here, rather than this level, we will still be looking for our buy opportunities around here as well, and then taking the trades all the way to the upside. And so I wouldn't be taking any sort of sell trades on US30, only be looking for buy opportunities. And yeah, so this basically has been my bias for US30. I am generally bullish on US30. I'll just be looking for good buy opportunities. And once the market presents those buy opportunities to us, then I will capitalize on it. And my decision to buy was based on what I saw on the weekly time frame and the daily time frame, also as well as this break of the trend line on the 4-hour time frame, and then the identification of all these key areas as well. So I hope you found this video very helpful. If you have, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis videos. Thank you very much for watching, and peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget